Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your name in Ludo King. So this will be for the Android, iPhone, also explaining how to do it on the computer. So any device that you have, it's going to be the same process throughout. So this is going to be like the home page when you open the Ludo King app. You're going to want to click on the top left hand corner where you see like your picture, then your name underneath. And then it will come up, and you'll see your name at the top there. Right now it says subscribe 1. You're going to want to click on that. Click on it again, and then you're going to be able to like change it at the bottom there with your keyboard. So I'm just going to like type in subscribe please. That's going to be my name change. Click done once you've finished that. And then this is important, you click continue. If you just go back out of it, it won't save. So make sure you do click continue. And then once you go back out to check that it's worked, you want to go back in and you'll see that it's changed and it will change in game. So it's going to be the same thing on your computer as well. You just want to get to this like settings menu right here and then you'll be able to change it as well. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Ludo King game. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.